through the currencies this morning. Euro, I think we're in this 4 here. We've probably got the A of it in. We need a B back, C up, and then drop one more time. If I come over and look at the US dollar, it still needs that last push up, 97.24, and this kind of stuff at the top is typical of a last 4. Spike up reversal is what I'm looking for in the US dollar at some point soon. Cable. I think we hit the bottom of the 3 yesterday. We need a 4, 5 to finish it off. All this stuff is the Hurst. You've got to cross this FLD here, and that would confirm that then this cycle trough low, which is overdue but can drag out to here, is in, and then we're going up here in cable. Bottom not in, it needs a last 4, 5. US dollar, Japanese yen needs to hold that low that we made at 110.08. Otherwise, we can drop down further 109.28 before we start this C up. But I am looking for that to hold and push on up. If you want a long entry, as it takes out 111.42, that would be your long entry in US dollar, Japanese yen. Now, Australian dollar. So it took us 3 attempts to get long, and this one's finally starting to stick. Absolute stops 72.01, which is just a point below this low here. We need to see this get through these retrace fibs up to and including 74.53. So take some off as we go up, trail stops up behind it in the US dollar Japanese yen pair, and finally